Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by FX, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Intel stock price rose by 3.3% on Wednesday, closing at $21.49, driven by renewed investor confidence following reports of stronger-than-expected semiconductor demand. The French stock market index traded at around €7,650 on Thursday, extending the previous session's losses, as investors grew wary of the global tensions. U.S. natural gas futures climbed to around $4, the highest in nearly 3 months, as hotter-than-normal July weather drives up demand. The Swiss franc traded at around 0.82 per USD, hovering near its highest levels since 2011, amid a broad flight to safety driven by escalating tensions in the Middle East. Ether traded at around $2,500 this Thursday, decreasing by 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Ether lost 0.8%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 1:30 a.m., Australia to release the unemployment rate for May, following 4.1% in April. At 11 a.m., the interest rate in the UK is expected to decrease, after reaching 4.25% in May. At 11:30 p.m., Japan will release figures for the annual inflation rate of May, following 3.6% in April. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the retail sales for May, following 1.2% in April. At 12:30 p.m., the housing price index in Canada is expected to increase, after reaching -0.4% in April. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index of June, following -4 in May.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.